Creative Writing. This is McKenna here, and I'm just touching base with you for the week. I know it's a little later in the week than I normally try to post, but we've been plugging right along with the assignments that you guys had due, and I just wanted to touch base before I'm going to be gone for a couple of days, so I will be checking my email throughout next week, but just so you know, I will be out of the state, so my email will be limited during the day and I may not get back to you as quickly as possible, but I want to take you over here to the side here. You can see that there's several assignments that are open all the way through November 5th. Now here's the deal. You only have an assignment due every couple of days. Actually, this one's a face-to-face meeting, but you can see that you've got it this Friday and then not again until next week, and then there's something due a little later after that the following week. So what I want you guys to just be cognizant of is that we are currently working in the unit 7. We're getting ready to finish that. And then next week you'll start moving into unit 8. And the reason that I've spaced these assignments out so much is that you guys are going to have several resources to look at in preparation and just for expansion of the unit. So let me just take you into that really quick. But if you go into our course and you scroll down to the unit that we're currently working in, like I said, we're finishing 7 right now. Here's 8. The writing resource and practice exercises is going to be the first things that are going to come up, obviously. But you can see there are several things that I want you to look at in preparation for the first assignment, which is the word choice one, where you're going to be giving some feedback to a fellow classmate. I expect is going to take you most of the block to look through. So I'm not making anything due because I want you to be reading and annotating these pieces for yourself in preparation for the assignment. Then you'll notice that when you get to the assignment, you're going to want to go ahead and open that a little early. You're actually going to need this folder right here, the example texts written by students, in order to finish this assignment for word choice and feedback. So it's just basically wanted to give you a heads up that yes, there are assignments only due every couple of days, but there's quite a bit of reading here. You've got this whole folder to look at. And then as you get into the later assignments, there's also some prep work that goes along with that. So I spaced it out to give you that time so you can really be creative and use that time to develop your characters and develop your writing. But it's not just that, you can finish it in one day. You do need to open those assignments early and make sure you know what's expected of you before you work on them and submit. So any questions that you have, get them to me early here in the next day or so, because starting Friday the 25th, I will be out for several days. And like I said, while I'll be checking my email, it'll be intermittent. And so you may not hear back from me right away. All right. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you when I see you.